In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account. If you're running a website or a store through Wix, it's crucial to have a solid payment system to ensure that transactions with your customers go smoothly. So, let's dive in and establish your Wix Payments setup. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard at what is essentially the home page of your Wix site. This is where you manage most of your site's functionalities. Now, to set up payments, you'll need to search for the payment settings. Type payment into the search bar at the top of your dashboard. This will direct you to where you need to go to manage payment options. Next, you'll see an option that reads Accept Payments. Click on it. This is where the magic happens, where you'll be configuring various ways your site can accept money from customers. Afterward, you'll want to click on the button that says See More Payment Options. Now, what this does is allows you to explore different payment methods supported by Wix. It's good to know all your options, especially if you're targeting a global audience with varying payment preferences and methods. Once you've clicked on See More Payment Options, look for and click on View More. Doing this will further expose you to an extensive list of payment methods, so you can select the ones best suited for your business or personal needs. Now comes the crucial part, choosing a payment method. Whether it's credit card options or third-party payment providers, finding one that fits your currency or region is essential. Once you've made your choice, click on the Connect button next to it. Now, when you click Connect, you'll be prompted to follow a series of connection instructions. These will vary depending on the payment service you've decided to use. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. You might need to provide additional information or authorizations, so have this information handy. At any point, if you decide to opt out or reconsider your options, you can click Cancel. Remember, setting up payments is a significant step, and it's okay to take your time to ensure everything is perfect and tailored to your specific business needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up your Wix Payments account. It's a pivotal tool for managing transactions, and a properly functioning payment setup is absolutely critical for any online business to thrive. Don't forget to test your payment methods once they're linked to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your payment system on Wix. If you have any questions or would like to suggest future topics, please let us know in the comments below.